That one. Yes. Do you like this one? Do you like
Not just.
Na 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 na.
What is happening here?
Mom, we present to you the latest, newer, beautiful couple in town.
Son?
Mom, congratulate us. We got married today in court.
No, 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 no. 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 This is impossible. This... Grandma.
Grandma, what is wrong with Betty?
Betty! Betty! What is it? What is it, Betty?
He went against my will. He married that woman.
It's okay, Betty. Don't worry. Just look at me. Okay, don't.
I don't want her.
I know. Will this ever be sorted out?
Emotional blackmail. That's exactly what she's doing, and you're falling for it.
She's your daughter.
I know. I hate to see her like this, but it's fine. She'll get over it eventually.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, honey. We're a parent. We should learn to hold our kids. It's for their own good. Come in. Jesus Christ. Was there volcanic eruption in this room? Betty! So much hatred and anger because I found love, right? Because I found love and want to be happy again. I don't have anything to say to you. No, I don't. You claim you love me. And yet you get this mad because I found love and I want to be happy again because I remarried, right? God. For once I have to think about myself, Betty. I have to think about my happiness and not yours. Betty, you need a mother to show you love and care. And that is what Kate is here to do.
I am never going to accept her as my mother.
Well, she's my wife, and that is all that matters.
But I don't want her.
That's your loss, not mine.
gave you the right to come into my room?
I'm your stepmother now, so I have the right to every room in this house.
You are not my stepmother. 2, the word mother will never be a title for you in this house. 3, you are my father's wife, and it ends there. Okay?
Why do you hate me this much? Look at the mess you caused in your room just because of me.
Do you consider all of this a mess? This is exactly how your life is going to be in this house. So, Kate, get ready to burn.
You know what? I don't know how long it's going to take. But I assure you that one day you'd call me mom with the same mouth of yours.
Please get out of my room before I call you a monster instead. Grandma, I hope you made this food, because if she did, I'm not going to eat it.
Betty, I need food, not poison. Besides, it's wrong to reject food. In fact, it's a sin. So you need to eat.
Do not second guess me, okay? I said I do not want to have anything to do with you in this house, and that's it.
Look, young lady, you're a little child. You need to eat. You need food.
Sit your butt and eat.
I'm not hungry.
I said, sit down and eat if you don't see the best in me.
Don't bother the child, son. She said she's not hungry. She doesn't want to eat. Is it by force?
Mom, please, do not get involved in this.
Son, please. I want you. I want you.
Mommy, do not get involved. This is between my daughter and I. I'll be myself again. Sit your butt down and eat if you do not want to see the best in me. And of course, I apologize to her for being so disrespectful.
Never. Oh, and do your worst.
Betty! Betty! Hey, look, I'm going to... I have always yielded to you and done everything you ever wanted. But I never believed that a day will come that my own daughter that I raised by myself will behave this way to me. You have not just insulted me, but my training and everything that has to do with me. And for that reason, I refuse to listen to whatever you want henceforth. And you see, Kate, she's my wife. There's nothing anyone can do about it.
Send her away. Please, do just for me.
I'm sorry. You cannot have your way this time. Kate is my wife, and she holds the same importance as you in this house.
My late mother will not be happy with all of this.
Very sensible and has a pure heart. She is nothing like you.
You brought problem between daughter and father. You caused rift between them. Are you happy? You are satisfied, isn't it? Ma, I haven't done anything that I'm ashamed of. All I did was marry the man of my dreams. How is that a crime? Yeah, she's upset now, but she'll get over it later. And with time, I know we'll get to know each other better. She doesn't want to know you. She does not want to know you. If you have any shame, leave. Leave us alone. Leave.
Is that what you want?
Yes, I want nothing more. If you remain married to my son, you will wish you never saw him. Not to talk of marrying him. Yes, I promise you that.
Thank you, ma. I'll keep that in mind.
I don't like you. Yes, I don't like you. I am sorry, I will never accept you. What is it?
Grandma, we have to think of a plan, oh, because that woman cannot be my father's wife.
There's nothing we can do. They're already married.
So, should we give up then? You don't like her either, so why are you even allowing this?
My father might be my son, but he's not a child. So he has his own decision to make.
So are we going to just allow her stay here as his wife? Grandma, her presence is very disrespectful to my mother's memory.
I don't like her. Yes, and we cannot be calm. But you see, this is not the time to attack directly. We have to make this house too hot for her. Then she will leave. Yes, we will create a rift between her and your father. As long as your father sees her as a good woman, we can't succeed. Get it?
So, Grandma, do you have any plans?
That is why I'm here. We need to put heads together. Okay?
Ma,
What do you want? Have you made the food I asked you to make?
yes, ma. I'm done. It's ready. Please, can I have a word with you?
What is it?
I know you don't like me, and I know Betty doesn't want me here either. But I am married to your son. He's my husband. Is there no way we can all make this work and live happily together?
Kate, ma, you were not my choice for my son. And you don't fit into what I want for him. You cannot force me to accept you. Neither will Betty. You are all alone in this house. You can't force me to accept you. Never.
I know, but I am ready to do anything at all for you to accept me. I'll do whatever it is.
Wow. I like this. The only good thing you ever said since you came into this house. You mean you are ready to do whatever I want you to do? You are very sure.
As long as it will bring peace into this house, I will.
Wow. All right. Leave. Divorce my son. That's the only option. To marry a husband. do for peace to reign in this house? You've not seen anything.
What's happening? No food? Jesus Christ. She didn't cook anything. But my friends will soon be here. What kind of disgrace is this? You're sleeping? Where's the food I told you to prepare?
You're welcome.
Thank you. Where's the food I told you to prepare?
What food?
The food I asked you to prepare before I left to work this morning.
You didn't ask me to prepare anything.
Of course I did. I dropped you a note here while you were in the bathroom and I sent you an SMS when I was at work.
I didn't get any notes or SMS.
How's that possible, darling?
I didn't get any message. I didn't send a note.
Jesus Christ. I left you a note here and...
I didn't get any. If I did, I would have done what you wanted me to do.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So, what do we do now?
Nothing. Sweetie, nothing can be done about it now. It's late already. My friends are already on their way and I told them dinner is on me. God, Jesus Christ. Do you think that I made bold claims that my wife is the best cook in the world? Now I'm obviously going to swallow my words.
Babe, if I saw it, I would have prepared. Babe, hold on. Look, if I...
Hello, Mike. Yeah, I know you and the guys are already on your way to my house. But my house was actually the wrong choice. Just take the guys to the usual restaurant. Yeah, I'll be there. Oh, no, don't worry. If you tell me, I'll pay. Alright, guys. Alright.
Babe, you shouldn't have cancelled. I can still prepare something.
It's fine, don't worry. We don't have the luxury of time. I made a mistake to have had faith in you. I'll just meet him somewhere else. See you later.
I've not seen anything. See, we need to create more troubles like this. Yes, so that she'll have no choice than to pack her things and leave this house.
I will be the happiest person on earth when she finally leaves this house.
Don't worry. Kate is in for a drama. She will cry the more. See, you needed to see her face. Baby, I didn't say it. Baby. I didn't see it. See, today he raised his voice. Tomorrow he will raise his hand and beat her black and blue, and she will have no choice than to leave this place. She wants to marry.
You know, when he told me that he sent me a message and I did not reply, I knew something was wrong. I checked my phone and his number was blocked on my phone. So that means he actually sent me a message and someone tampered with it.
So, who do you think did it?
I'm very foolish and stupid not to know who did it. And as for you, Mama, it's so appalling that you're supporting her in all of this. I mean, I can understand why she does what she does. She's a kid. What about you? What do you stand to gain in all of this? He's trying to create an impression in front of his friends and colleagues. And you, his family members, are messing it up for him. What was that supposed to mean?
It's good that you said family members. So now you know that you're not his family. What are you still doing here?
I know you have lots of plans for me in this house. But for what is what, I want to let you both know that I will win. Not because it's a competition, but because I have nothing but love for you in my heart. And as for both of you trying to cause a rift between my husband and I, it will not work. Because what we share is strong. Our love is strong. Nothing can come between us.
Is she done?
No,
Oh, she's done.
Oh,
Let me say, you can't break us. Don't worry. Don't worry. This is just the beginning. She will give up. I will deal with her. Oh yeah, let's just do this. I win. I win. I win. I win.
I have come to see my beautiful daughter before going to bed.
That was when I was still important to you.
Honey, you're still very important to me, and you will always be. Look, I know you didn't want me to get married, but I did all the same. But playing these silly games just to ruin my relationship with Kate is too lowly of you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I am not stupid to know that you did all this to shame Kate before me. But you have not shamed her. You have shamed me instead. Because an insult to my wife is a slap to my face.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Lie all you want, darling. But you know it's the truth. I'll advise you stop while you still can. Because it won't do you no good. Daddy loves you so much. Good night.
I'm so sorry about what happened earlier.
I'm sorry. Hey. I hope you don't feel bad about what happened. Oh, come on, darling. I am your husband, okay? And I know you so well. I know you not want to see me fail. And I'm not mad at you. I'm not. I'm only mad at who did this.
Who did this? Who?
Honey, come on, you know who did this. And she should never have done this.
Hey, come on. She's just a child.
No, she's not. She should know better. And if she continues like this, she'll push me away from her.
Don't move yourself away from her, babe. She's just being sentimental about her mother. Give her time, she will come around.
Yeah. My mom is actually supporting her, so it's unlikely.
As for your mom, I know one day, very soon, she will accept me. I'm positive about this. In fact, I choose to be positive. So, give them time.
Hey, thank you for understanding. Okay, come here. I love you so much.
I love you
Hey, thanks for understanding.
Stay a bit with me, I've got everything you need. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da.
If you're not done yet.
Oh, honey, I'm not done yet. I just have to finish this before I sleep. I have a meeting tomorrow morning by 8, so I need to get this proposal done tonight.
I know, babe, but you've been on it like all day.
Yeah, darling, I know. I will be through in no time. Oh, God, I gotta get this thing done. Why is he calling me this late? Hello, sir. Yeah, I am still working on the proposal. Oh, yeah, sure, I'll get it done. Yeah, sure, I'm free to talk. Oh, yeah. I'll just go to the balcony. Oh, okay, yeah, the professor, yes. First thing to know about the balcony.
Girl, I know you miss the way I'd hold you. You miss the things I told you. But this the way you want it. All I want is to forget.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, sir, of course, Okay, back, sir. Sir, can I call you back? What is this? Honey! Babe! Honey! Jesus Christ. Who did this?
Babe, I didn't do this. I just stepped into the bathroom as soon as you left.
It was you and I in this room. Then who did this?
I didn't.
Dude, who did it? Jesus, I'm not going to start from now. God, I've been working on this proposal all day, and all the materials I need are in the office. When do I start all over again?
Babe, come on now. I just stepped in as soon as you left.
Oh, God! God! What am I going to do?
When will you stop?
Never.
You're hurting your father, you know.
I know, but he'll be very fine once you leave.
Why do you hate me this much?
Because any woman in my father's life is a bad person to me. Okay?
I am his wife.
Yeah, but not for long. Very soon you'll get thrown out of this house.
Then let it happen naturally. You're putting so much effort. You're too young for this. Why are you letting hate and bitterness consume you so much?
That's my own problem to deal with, okay? I'm going to make sure you get thrown out of this house. I promise.
So, now that she's married, what will you do? You know a lot will change.
No, nothing is going to change. The only thing that is going to change is her status. She's going to go from married to divorced.
And how will that happen? Your dad gave you a lot of liberty. Your stepmom will not do it. She'll want to control you and push you aside. And you'll get so stressed going forward. That is a promise.
Nope, I won't let that happen. And I'm sure my father will never let that happen.
She's his wife. What makes you think that your dad is going to listen to you? At midnight, all she needs to do is rub his head and brainwash him. And in the morning, you see the effect. They all do it.
I hate her.
Your life is ruined.
And how do you know that? So this is the type of friends you keep? Eh? A friend that will come to your house and poison your heart.
Poison whose heart? Susan is my friend and she can never deceive me. So stay within your limits.
Young lady, this is my house. I will not let anyone come in to poison your heart. I won't let it. Oh yeah, you, out. Now.
She's not going anywhere.
Says who?
Susan came to see me. She's my friend, so she can stay.
Hey, Susan or whatever you call yourself. See, before I open these eyes, you've left this house. Now.
She's not going anywhere.
I will not let you come here and poison her heart. I won't let it. Leave! Don't make me throw you out. All right. We'll see about that.
Stop it!
Out!
Stop!
Out! See,
Stop it!
use the door. Out! Don't make me push you. Out! Use the doors. I said leave. Okay. Use the door. Leave! What kind of a friend is that? Did you hear the things coming out from a little girl's mouth?
Susan.
You can join her, but let me not see her tiny legs in this house again. Little children of nowadays. Who even told her all that she was saying?
I have never been this embarrassed before. Is this what your house has turned into?
Look, I'm so sorry. This is the height of it. I won't tolerate this nonsense. How can she send you out just like that?
I told you earlier that having a stepmom is a very bad idea. Now can you see? You have no freedom in your house. She's nothing but trouble.
See, this is more of my house than hers, okay? Don't worry, I'll bring you back here. She can't do anything to you.
See, girl, you have to regain your freedom back, or else she's going to turn you to a maid and a puppet, even in your father's house.
Susan, wait now. How dare you? How dare you send my friend out of the house?
Wait, are you talking to me? Huh? Oh, wait, you want to hit me? You want to fight me? No, go ahead. Go ahead and try. Let me teach you a lesson you'll never forget. Who do you think you're talking to? You've been pampered way too much in this house and I will not let it continue. Do you know what your father will say if I told you what you just did?
What will he say? What's going to happen? Look, anything that wants to happen should happen, okay? And let me tell you something. You are not my mom, so stop playing mom in my life. Secondly, Susan is my friend, and she will remain my friend forever, whether you like it or not.
Okay, young woman, not taken, well understood. But I need to let you know that you are my responsibility, and I'll make sure I live up to my responsibility in this house by taking care of you, whether you like it or not.
Responsibility, my foot.
I will take care of you whether you like it or not. I will make sure you hear. Since you think nobody can talk to you, they've spoiled you too much. I will break those wings of yours. I'll clamp them and break them. I think you can't be tamed. Can you imagine? She almost wanted to beat me.
Look it. How? If not for one thing, just one thing, I would have slapped you over and over again. Who do you think you are? Eh? Who are you to tell my granddaughter who to be friends with and who not to be friends with? Eh?
The little girl was misleading her, so I had to send her out.
Susan has been her friend since childhood. So why would she mislead her? Why? Huh? Oh, I knew it. Because she spoke ill of you. So that's misleading. Eh? That's misleading. Huh?
Mama, why are you doing this? You want to hit me because I tried to put your granddaughter in the right path? Why are you doing this?
And I'll do it over and over again if you try to stop Susan from coming into this house. That girl has the rights, every right to come into this house, and no one, not even you, will stop her. Do you hear me?
Don't you think you're indulging Betty too much? She's spoiled already.
I'm not indulging anything. I am not indulging her anywhere. That girl has been fine before you came into this house. And she will continue to be fine. Do not play mother. I warn you. Do not play mother. Mother General. Poke nose into what does not concern you. It's your business. Okay. Tomorrow is your wedding anniversary with Vera. So, how do you intend on celebrating it?
Celebrate my anniversary with Vera? Oh, come on. Are you joking? I'm married to Kate.
Because you're married to a new wife doesn't mean you shouldn't celebrate my mother's anniversary.
Watch your mouth, Betty. Watch it. You're no longer in charge to know that it's wrong to celebrate an anniversary with your mother. You're married to somebody else.
Then let her go. My mom's anniversary must be celebrated.
I agree. Yes. We've always done this now. So what is wrong now? Eh? So you want us to forget about Vera because someone else is here? Is that what you want?
I will not have you insult my wife. Please. And don't think of pushing it because it's not going to work.
Hold on. Is this how easy it is for you to just forget my mom just like that?
Betty, please don't do this.
No, let's talk about it now. If we are not celebrating it, then what's the point of being here? What's the point?
Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous, Kate. Talk to your husband. Talk to him. Don't be jealous of the dead. Talk to your husband. She has left her food. Finish it. Take my own.
Why are you angry? She was your wife. What is wrong in celebrating her?
We are not celebrating her. We're not doing it. They want to spite you. Can't you see it? Celebrating my anniversary with her means she's in my life and not you.
But babe, that's how they want you to feel. Just give it to them.
I'm not doing it. I'm not.
Babe, calm down. Calm down. Look, it's not like she's coming back anytime soon. There's no competition here. Just do it.
Honey, you're my wife.
And you're my husband. And this is my family. And I'll do anything to make my family happy. I'll do right by them.
But this is not right. It's not.
Babe, let's do it.
My darling, you need to learn to put yourself first for a change. Do not neglect yourself. It's not right.
I'll keep that in mind. No problem. Let's just do it.
Oh,
Please.
God.
Hmm?
Come here.
Grandma, that was such a good move. See, this woman should better realize soon enough that my mom is still the woman of this house.
Yes. I can just imagine how she feels now. Yes, I know by tomorrow she must have discouraged your father. But you know what? We will play that victim card. Yes. And he will realize that she's not good for him.
See, this anniversary, we must celebrate it. Whether anybody likes it or not, she can't win. And if my father wants to go against us, I'm leaving this house.
Shut your mouth! Keep quiet. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Eh? You want to leave your house because of a stranger? See, I am here with you. Don't worry. She will not remain here for long. Never.
I hope so, because I already feel choked already. How come she hasn't told my father that you slapped her?
I wonder. Oh, that's true. Huh? She has a bigger plan. Yes, she's playing again, and we'll be very, very careful that we'll not fall victim. Oh. Yes. You know, that lady is cunning. Yes. And I know that she will use it to her own benefit.
Wow. This kind of woman, Seth. Where did my father even find her from?
I don't care. Wherever he brought her from, we'll send her back to sender. She will not continue in this house. Never. It will not happen. Don't worry. Relax. Oh, my son. Morgan, you're here. What do you want? So tell us, how do you intend to celebrate your wife tomorrow?
I see plotting and conspiracy has become your pastime.
What are you talking about?
Kate has been nothing but nice to you two from the world. Go. She has been a good daughter-in-law and an amazing stepmother. What exactly has she done to deserve this kind of hatred from you two? What? You tell me.
We don't know what you're talking about.
I'm not foolish to know what you two have been up to. I'm not. And you see these things that you are doing, it's actually making me love her more. Yes. And she's winning my heart with the way she's handling the two of you. All I want is a happy home, a beautiful family, where we get to spend time together, spend beautiful memories together. That's all I want. Peace. Don't be surprised if I seek peace in our homes. Don't be. By then, you two will almost mean nothing to me. I mean it. Nothing.
Ma, so
I can see you didn't sleep well last night. So you came here to cook. What, is my father's anniversary hurting you?
Good morning, darling. Hope you slept well, because I slept like a baby.
Don't lie to yourself.
So I wanted to know, do you have plans for the anniversary? Any plans?
What are you saying?
The woman that gave birth to you must be a very special woman. So her anniversary with your dad should be celebrated. I mean, it's worth celebrating. So just in case you don't have plans, I made some plans. So I made a reservation for dinner for all of us at the most expensive restaurant in town. So we all are going to have dinner to celebrate the anniversary.
This is some kind of sick joke.
Look, I'm not here to replace your mother. I'm just doing me, being myself. So no, I'm not joking. We all are going out to celebrate your mom and dad's anniversary tonight. So tell Grandma, get ready. It's a celebration. I don't know what I ate. I don't feel.
What's happening here? Why are we still in this house?
if you people are not ready to celebrate, let us know. Eh?
My wife is not feeling too good. She's having a running stomach. That's why we're late.
A running stomach?
Yeah.
She? Daddy, she's obviously pretending now. She doesn't want us to go.
Baby, what is wrong with you? Stop it. Can't you see she's not feeling well?
She's making excuses, obviously.
See, Morgan, she's right. Eh? If this doesn't happen tonight, I will not feel happy.
You guys could just go ahead with the dinner. Just leave me.
Only we are not leaving this house without you.
Yes, we are.
If you're not coming, dinner is cancelled.
No, babe, come on. You can't ruin the night just because of me.
But I can't leave you behind, darling.
I'm fine. I'll be fine. Just go. Go ahead. You guys should have fun. If I need anything, I'll call you.
Thank you. You see, this is the only sensible thing you have ever said in this house. You've gone 20 times. Sorry, yo. Let us go.
But honey, come on,
Just go. Please.
Please just take care of yourself. I'll see you when I come back. Just go.
Thank God she's not here. She would have ruined everything for us.
Everything for us. She is such a liar. She never wanted to be here. Yes. Wow.
Okay, Basha. Thank God she's not here.
Simple. Enjoy herself tonight.
Daddy,
I love your father.
cheer up now.
Son, Morgan, what is it? Smile now. We're here to be happy. Smile.
Food is ready. Here you go.
You?
What on earth are you doing here?
There was no way I would have allowed this special day pass by without celebrating it with my beautiful family. So I'm here and I'll be your waiter for the night.
Hold on. You have no business being here. So why are you here?
Yes. Your mother was a very special woman. So I need to be part of this celebration. So allow me celebrate her too. Please. Hey.
I thought you...
I was not okay, yeah, but I'm good now. I took some medication and I feel better, and here I am. So let's celebrate.
Oh my God.
I'll go get the rest.
How?
You're very surprised me.
For your information, Dad, this is the worst anniversary we've had in years. But what's she doing there? Her presence just ruined everything for everybody.
Watch your mouth, Betty. Watch it! I never raised you this way. Or did I do wrong in making sure you are extremely comfortable in this house? Did I? Now you listen to me, and listen to me carefully. You must respect me and my wife in this house. Am I clear?
Respect? The same way she couldn't respect me and stay away today? Is this who I should be respecting? This woman is evil. She's evil!
Betty. You see, Morgan. You see how you're neglecting your own daughter because of this? This thing called wife. It is not fair. It's not fair. She's hurting.
I expect more from you, Mom. I expect more. You should be teaching her how to live right. But here you are, leading her astray. I am disappointed, Mom. I am extremely disappointed. Honey, let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing here?
I know you're surprised. Your plans backfired. You were expecting me to be in the situation that you are in right now, but the tables were turned. And I'm sure you're also very surprised how I got to the restaurant regardless of your speed.
I got it. Don't worry. You know what we're going to do? She can plan all she wants. I'll give you something to put in her food or drink. Once she takes it, she'll not be able to go with us. Yes.
Yes. But this thing, I hope it won't kill her.
Ah, no. Not of course. You know me now, I can't kill her. It will not kill her. It will make us two without control for us.
Oh.
Yes. I will target the right time to do it. Do you understand? Once she takes it, she'll be incapacitated here.
Okay. But my father, what if he cancels the plan if she becomes unwell?
You're right. You're right. But he will play the usual victim card. Remember now, saying that she's lying. You know her now. As emotionally stupid as she is, she'll say, baby, you can go without us. Then we'll go without her. Yes. She wants to marry.
She will pack out of this place by force.
Fire.
By force. Oh, by force.
I didn't have. I just played you to your own game. And staying here has taught me a lesson. It has taught me how to play games. Look, I am not trying to replace your mother, but I will be your mother.
Keep dreaming. Look, you may have succeeded today, but tomorrow is a whole new different day for hunting.
Well, fair enough. We will all wait for tomorrow. Have a good night. And before you go to bed, young lady, say a prayer. Who knows, by morning, God might touch your heart and take away so much anger and hatred from that beautiful heart of yours. Good night.
Why did you enter her room? Eh? Why did you enter her room? Why?
She's my daughter, so I have the right to go to her room.
She's not your daughter. She is not your daughter. Stay away from her. Stay away from her, oh!
She's my responsibility and I'll live up to it. You can plot and plan all you want with her, but I will not let you spoil her innocent mind.
Are you challenging me?
No, I'm not. I'm just reminding you that as her grandmother, your duty is to guide her in the right path and not lead her astray. So as long as I am married to your son, I will make sure that you don't lead her astray.
All right. It's happening, I told you. Oh no, this is not happening. No.
Dad, I'm off.
And why do you think you're going to dress like that?
I am going to my school's end of the year party. Not like it's any of your business.
No way. You're not leaving this house dressed like that.
What is wrong with what she's wearing, Mother General?
I will not let my daughter leave the house half naked.
Points of correction. I am not your daughter. For the last time.
Babe, are you going to allow your teenage daughter dressed this way, half naked, leaving the house?
Please, please, please. Can you stop pitting my father and I against each other? I don't like it.
Your stepmother is right, Betty. You cannot and should not go out dressed like that. So go outside and change.
But Daddy, you've never had a problem with the way I dress.
Yes, darling. Your stepmother just pointed me to the right direction. Indeed, I've overlooked it all this while, and it's not right. So go inside and change.
No, I'm not changing.
If you're not changing, then you're not going anywhere.
Let her go now.
Daddy, are you being serious?
Yes. Kate said you're not going anywhere. Sorry, you're not.
Because of her? Okay.
Mother. Betty. Betty.
Hey, darling.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, darling.
You're still cooking.
Yeah, I'm still preparing. You know, responsible people are supposed to still be sleeping.
I know.
Oh.
But I have my dad to do anything I want from me. So,
I hope you know you're no longer a child. You should learn how to do these things yourself.
you know I know how to do these things myself. It's just, where's the fun in that if you don't do it?
Oh. Scale, you're funny. Well, you just enjoy it while it lasts. Because a time will come But you will have to wake up very early in the morning and make food for me to eat.
Don't you dare.
I should do that.
Yes.
Oh, so it's right for you to do it to me, but I cannot do it to you. Is that it?
Well, I'm the child in this family and you're the father, so are we supposed to be swapping roles?
Oh, really? Well, I don't have any intentions of swapping roles with you. I'm honored to be your father, and I enjoy cooking for you anytime, in the morning, in the midnight, anytime at all. At least until you get married.
No, I don't think I'm going to get married.
Tell that you're joking.
No.
Come on, you can't be serious. What are you talking? Hey, come here. I love you so much, darling.
Yeah. I mean, I have no choice but to love you back, so.
Hey, so how about you go upstairs and relax? When I'm done cooking, I'll call you.
You're not halfway done.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be fast about it. Still, I'm still feeling sleepy, but I'll be fast. Oh. Go inside and rest. What do you want to help? Why did you do it yourself? Come, let's go.
No.
Let's go back. Oh, please leave the way. Let me handle this girl. She knows what she did. Let's go to the room. Betty, let's go to the room now.
Leave her alone now. What's the problem?
Mama, please leave the way. Let me handle this girl. She knows what she did. Let us settle our differences. Let's go.
Grandma, he wants to punish me for wearing his slippers.
Oh, you know what you did right? Yeah, let's go. Let's go upstairs.
No, okay. I'll go, but promise that you won't do anything to me.
Okay, I promise. Let's go.
Are you sure?
You heard me? Oh, yeah? Let's go. Let's go. Serious, man? You think it's smart, right?
Yeah.
Wow. May the smiles and joy never fade from their faces. I've never seen father and daughter this happy. God, thank you, living like this.
Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? There is no one greater
Wow, I'm hungry. Food's not ready yet.
Oh, don't worry. Food will soon be ready.
Wow.
I'm preparing your favorite.
Yes, veg is my favorite. What can I do for you, Mom?
Don't worry. You don't get tired of playing with her, do you?
Get tired? Come on, Mom. She's all I've got. And she brightens my mood. So tell me, how on earth am I going to get tired of a bright mood?
You've done well, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
You have done everything possible to make sure that she doesn't miss her mother.
Yeah.
Yes, you've done well.
Thank you, Mom.
Each time I see her so excited, I know that you're the only one that can do that. She really, really loves you.
Yeah, and I love her too, Mom. I love her with all my heart. She's my daughter, remember? And she reminds me of her mother.
I know. We miss Vera. But
I miss her so much.
just like the saying goes, God knows the best. Okay? That's why, alright?
God knows best.
Alright.
Mom, please hurry up. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, fine. I'll just wait upstairs.
Susan, you ready, okay?
He doesn't care about me anymore. He used to love me and care for me, but he hates me now.
I can never hate you, darling. Never. Respect begets respect. I love you so much, my heart. I really do. But I will not deceive or mislead you to think that you are more important than Kate. The both of you have your place in my heart. Yeah. And no one should encroach the other person's space. No one. Kate is my wife, and I love her so much. You are my daughter. I love you with all my heart, honey. I do. If you want to be loved and respected, you have to give same. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Mom! Are you, what did you need? Mom, please come! Hey, honey, relax, just relax. What's going on? I don't know, she's reacting to something else.
What?
Betty! I don't know,
Betty! What is it? Cinnamon! Cinnamon! There's cinnamon in the food!
There's allergic to cinnamon! Jesus
I
Christ!
didn't use cinnamon in the food. You know what? Just pray not this happens to my grandchild. I will not live to tell the story.
What are you saying? You think I'll do such a thing on purpose? Why would I do that? You already told me she was allergic to cinnamon, so why would I?
If you didn't do it, then who did it? Answer me, Kate. She didn't make the food, did she? Look, I know she's been against you since you got to this house, but doing this to her is too much. What is wrong with you? She could have died if no one was in the house.
I didn't do it, and I refuse to take the blame.
Kate, I beg you in the name of God, don't lie to me. Don't do it. I love Betty so much. She means the world to me. If anything, I repeat, if anything happens to her, I will not forgive myself, I will not forgive you, and I will never spare you. I hope you understand.
I didn't do it. Like, you need to listen to me. I did it.
What did you do? Why did you do that? Hey, Betty, why did you do that? Why did you take cinnamon when you know that you are allergic to it? Eh? Betty, you added it to her food because I know that Kate will never do that.
Okay, yes, I did. But ever since they got married, Dad has been on her side. So it worked, right?
You could have killed yourself today. Huh? Betty, your life is more important than any game we are trying to play. Don't you ever do that again. Because I can't stand for it.
I just couldn't stand her winning all the time. So I had to do something.
Betty, you scared me. You did. Please do whatever you want to do. But do not harm yourself. Do you hear me? Do not harm yourself. Please. Because I can't stand it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll try again, please, okay?
Babe, I know you're not happy about what happened. I'm not happy either. And I promise it will not happen again. I'm sorry.
Betty's all I have. She means everything to me. She means the entire world to me. If anything happens to her, I will not spare who did it.
I said I'm sorry. Yeah, I accept I did it and I'm sorry. And it won't happen again. But I want you to take your time in your quiet moments and think if I, Kate, can really do something like that. If you come up with it being possible, then it's fine.
Love it when she pull me in just a little bit closer. Oh, girl, I know you miss the way I'd hold you. You miss the things I told you. But this the way you want it.
Oh, I see someone has been denied sleep. Don't worry. This is just the beginning.
How are you feeling?
How am I feeling? With all my dad said to you, I feel very okay. I mean, you should applaud me, right? I deserve some accolades for this one.
Yeah, you sure do. You deserve a truckload of accolades.
I know.
The next time you're trying to do this, be mindful of yourself first. Because you might do it and end up dead. Did you think about that?
I'll think about that later. Right now, I'm just very happy.
What are you turning yourself into? I still can't believe that a little girl of your age would think and come up with something like that. Well, I'm not surprised because you're surrounded by people that make you think it's okay to do the things you do.
People. Are you talking about my grandma?
You should be very careful. Be mindful of the things you do to yourself. Because you're turning yourself into nothing but an angry, bitter, sad young lady. And it's eating into you, it's eating you up. The worst that would happen is I leave your father's house. But as for you, you'll be long gone. And no, in fact, you'll be eaten so deep that it's going to be hard for you to return. Help yourself.
Once you leave, I'll be very fine. And I'll return back to that daddy's sweet little girl.
You won't return to being daddy's little girl. No. Because by that time, you'd have been polluted. Your innocence taken away from you. I pity you. I really do pity you.
Break my heart wide open, leave me on the sidewalk open. 1, 2, 3 times enough. I've cried too much, it's drying now.
Pretty, pretty thing, won't you stay a bit with me? I've got everything you need. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da. Girl, I know you miss the way I'd hold you. You miss the things I told you. But this the way you want it.
I'll be traveling tonight with the last flight to Maiduguri. Something came up. My company's in crisis. I really have to be there. I know I just got married, but honey, I need to go.
Maiduguri? Isn't that place like really far and dangerous?
It's still Nigeria. I can't leave my staff behind. It's really important I go.
So, for how long will you be gone?
Give or take, let's say 1 week. Yeah. But I'll keep in touch. And I really hope in my absence, this house remains this way.
Meaning?
Not in flames, I mean. All relationships should and must be respected. Betty? Kate is your stepmother. And while I'm away, she is in charge. She's going to love and respect you as our daughter. She deserves same love and respect. If I hear you did something silly, I am going to remind you that I am still your father.
Are you threatening me?
No, it's not a threat. It's an advice.
Hey, Mom.
As his wife left. Yes, ma'am.
So when is yours leaving?
I'm not traveling.
Oh, you will. You will. You see this 1 week. It will not be favorable for you in this house. You will leave and you will live on your own.
I am going to make this house very hot for you. So you can stay and then you feel the heat. Or you leave.
Do you both have plans of traveling too?
Why would we do that?
Okay,
Why?
fine. Since I'm not traveling and you don't have plans to travel, you can set the house on fire. We're all born in it.
So, are you saying that Harry's birthday party is tonight? Wow. I've been waiting for this day for a very long time now.
Yes, I know you have been waiting and your dad is not around. So how do you intend to do it? You really need to come. Just think of something.
I could ask my grandma for help.
Your grandma. What makes you think she's going to allow you to go for an all-night party? I'm not sure.
Susan.
I don't think so.
Do you want me to come or not?
Of course I want you to come. Do you know how long we have waited for this? I've got my outfit and so I want you to come. But I'm just worried. How will you be able to make it happen?
See, I must attend this party, whether anybody likes it or not. Okay?
Yes, that's the spirit. I
Come.
trust you. That's good.
A party? Ha! No, your father is not around. And he will never permit you going for a night party. You know that.
Grandma, please now. It's actually a friend's party. I'll be back before you know it. Okay, fine. I'll be back by 9 p.m.
I don't have a problem with it though. But when you take it, you know she will never accept it.
Grandma, that is why I came to you in the first place. Because I know that she will never go against you.
Betty, if I force her hand, she will call your father. I know that will be a problem. You know that.
So you won't help me, Grandma?
You said you'll be back by 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Betty, you'll be back by 9 p.m.
Yes, I promise.
Fine. I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
You said 9 p.m.
9 p.m., I promise.
9 p.m. 9 p.m.
Ma, where is Betty? Is she not eating?
She's not a child. When she's hungry, she'll eat.
But we're having dinner already. She should be down here eating with us. Besides, she has not even had anything to eat for a while now.
She's fine. When she's hungry, she will eat. Ha!
I need to speak with her. I need to see her.
What is it? Why are you drinking a painkiller on another person's headache? Is it your headache? Leave her alone. When she's hungry, she will come and eat.
I will go see her.
Kate, don't worry. She's fine. When she's hungry, she'll come and eat.
But she's not eating for a while now. Let me just see her. Are you okay? You never skip dinner. Why aren't you down for dinner? And why are you sleeping by this time of the day? You've not eaten anything for a while now. This is so unlike you. Dinner is ready. You should come eat.
You did what? You allowed her go for a party, a night party, and you did not deem it necessary to mention it to me first?
Why should I tell you? Mother General. Why should I tell you?
She's a child. She's just a little child and you let her out to go for a party. You allowed her? What is this? With all due respect, ma, you see what you just did? This is the height of irresponsibility coming from you.
How dare you, Kate, or whatever you call yourself? How dare you speak to me like that? Who do you think you are? Huh? Who are you? Who are you to tell me what is good or not good for my granddaughter? Since you came into this house, that girl has been on edge. And this one time, just one night, she wants to go and have fun. You want me to deny her that?
That's what you're supposed to do. Deny her that. It's for her own good. She's spoiled and pampered to a fault already and you keep enabling her. Why would you let her go for a night party at her age? Did you even tell her father about this?
I have authority in this house. I just used it. I did. And let me repeat again. She will be back by 9 p.m.
Her number is not connecting. And it's 11 p.m. You said she'll be back home by 9 p.m. It's 2 hours late.
You are her stepmother, right? Are you not? I know you enjoy that title. See, her father left her in your care. Yes, so nothing should happen to her.
In my care or in our care. And you allowed her go for a night party. You allowed her leave. So why are you putting it on me? By the way, where is the address of this party she went to?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? How can you let a little girl go for a party and you did not bother finding out where she was headed to?
I didn't think it was necessary. That's why.
God, look, I'm holding myself right here not to say the wrong things to you. What is this?
I hope she's fine. I'm worried now.
Please, she is fine and she will come back home safe. No need for negative energy right now, please. Officer, she's just a teenager and it's late. She's not back home. We're worried. What do you mean there's not... Okay, sir.
What did he say?
He said we need to wait for 24 hours before a missing person case can be filed. And since she's a teenager, she might likely return home.
She's missing. Does she need to die before searching can be done? Hey, oh God. Please protect Betty. Nothing should happen to Betty, please. Please. Habits. Are you going to bed?
Unlike you, Mama, I am going to her room to search for something, clue, anything. Can't sit here and do one.
Okay. Hey. I'm sorry. Take a look at her. Another night party. I didn't know. She didn't tell me. She said she will come back by 9 p.m.
You see what you did? You allowed the teenager go to an all-night party. All-night party. No thanks to you.
What do we do now?
What every mother will do. Go in search of her. Immediately.
I'll come with you.
No, please. It's late already. Don't stress yourself.
Please, please, I have to come with you. She's my granddaughter. Please.
I'll get a cab. Searched everywhere.
Keep searching, keep searching. God will keep her. God will protect her.
Kelvin, hurry up. These drinks are fading away. Let's go cancel food.
Almost done, almost done.
What do we do now?
We've searched everywhere possible. She's nowhere to be found.
Hey, we keep searching. Please, God. Oh, God, please keep her. Please protect her. Please, God. Ah.
Dear Lord, please. A mother is out here at this time of the night looking for her daughter. A daughter you gave to me even without me asking. Lord, I am out here on her account. Please, bring her safely back home to us. Let nothing happen to her. Show us a sign, anything. Show us something. Let the love and the peace of a mother triumph today.
Amen.
Lord, please give us a sign, anything. Just show us something. We need her back home safe.
Amen. Amen.
Oh. Grandma, sit down. Stop.
Open your eyes, please. So sorry. Please don't do this to me.
I'm shocked at what she did. I never expected her to do that for you. I feel so bad right now. I feel so bad right now with everything that is happening. We've not been fair to her. Oh Lord, I pray. I pray that she regains her consciousness and be fine. That's all I ask.
Please help me pray for her, Grandma, please. Please wake up.
I'm praying since I regret treating her the way I did. Giving birth to a child is one thing, and being a mother to that child is another. It's only a real mother that would do what she did for you. Please, Betty, forgive me. I am so sorry for misleading you. If I had been with my senses, I would have got you right.
So sorry.
I wouldn't be in this situation right now. I'm sorry, forgive me.
Please.
Kate, I'm sorry.
Please wait.
Please come back to us.
A daughter doesn't say sorry or thank you to her mother. I did what I did because you're my responsibility. What's more important is that you're safe. We won.
I'm so sorry, Kate. I'm sorry.
We can all win as a family if we stand together. And I'm not trying to replace your mom. I'm just here to continue from where she stopped, to guide you and love you.
I love you, Mom.
Say it again.
I said, I love you, Mom.
Like I'm ready to do anything to hear you say that every day to me. Come here.
Mommy, Daddy's home.
Siva's home.
Hey,
I missed you.
what is going on?
Baby.
Hey, hold on.
Hey, Ba.
What happened to you?
Nothing, just a minor accident, but I'm good now.
Minor accident and you didn't inform me about it?
Do I have to call you over every little thing I can handle?
She's fine.
Yeah.
We've been taking very good care of her.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so that is amazing. What is actually going on here? You two in the same space?
Well, a lot has happened while you were away. So let's just say that one thing we've been praying and hoping for has finally happened.
Wow. This is nothing short of a miracle. How did you do it?
Like you said, it is nothing short of a miracle. And I'm glad that I got to realize sooner the gem that she is. And I'm very, very happy you married her against my will.
Look, I am so happy. I don't even know how to react or what to say to this. Wow, this is amazing. So should I be sad that you're hot or be happy that you two are together?
The last one is more preferable.
Hey, honey, thank you so much for understanding and bringing her close to you. I appreciate it. I love you so much.
You're welcome, darling, and we are also happy. We're happy to have you back home. So go upstairs and freshen up while we fix lunch.
Okay, so today I'm going to eat till I'm extremely satisfied because you two are finally together. I'm so happy.
Welcome home, baby.
So I'll just go
No,
sit.
just run up. I'll help you with that. Go after you. Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Today is amazing, man.
Yeah. You wouldn't tell Dad what happened, would you?
No, sweetheart, that would be our little secret.
Thanks, Mom.
Girl, I know you miss the way I'd hold you. You miss the things I told you. Miss the way you want it.
Like you, there's no one like you. Break my heart wide open, leave me on the sidewalk open. 1, 2, 3 times enough. I've cried so much, it's drying now.
Pretty, pretty thing, won't you stay a bit with me? I've got everything you need. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da. Girl, I know you miss the way I'd hold you. You miss the things I told you.